See, this is what happens when you drink too much in Goa. Look at these two. Look at these two. Huh?
Ashwin. Bro, Dani, shut the fuck up.
Don't get fucking caught.
Bro, you give me a scooty.
Don't get caught.
Mumbai to Goa Expressway, sorry. We are on the highway, Goa highway heading towards South Goa. So we are going to Benolem. And these roads are pretty good. I feel the internal roads are much better in this highway. I don't know, maybe this highway has not been that well. But the other part of the highway, yes, is definitely good. So there, Goa actually walked on the highways very well, you know. The other highways which go more towards south, we haven't entered south yet completely. Once we cross the Panjim bridge, we enter south. Panjim like the division between the south and northern Goa. Until here. Now it'll get better. Just don't take the Panjim bridge, which is meant for cars. Go down. Take the lower bridge. If you're on the highest bridge of Panjim, that means you're in trouble. Through Goa's tourism has gone down. You know how I can say that? The lights of the Panjim bridge are off, bro. They used to always sparkle with different color lights, you know, purple, red. It used to go in transitions. They put the lights only off. Now there's only normal street lights. Be happy. Now we're entering into south. We are already in South Goa, you can say. And Benolem is another 34 kilometers from here. Some parts of the road are lit, some parts aren't, just to show you how it looks. So the center lights are gone, the left lights are there, it's good. I just need to put the right hand side lights on, but I can't do that, so just put both of them on. 3-lane highway, later it gets even more bigger and more wider. Now from 3 it went to 2. But the roads are very nice, like you can cruise at 80, at least for Himalayan, you cruise at 80, you don't even feel like it's 80. And in the night, right now it's not that cold, but it's cool, but weather is pleasant. Today only for some reason it was very hot during the day. And when you're in Goa, you need to keep yourself hydrated. Just mind the weather, rest everything is fine. Yeah, so now this is also a 3-lane road, but this 3-lane road is much more bigger than the previous 3-lane road which we saw. Can you see the road? This is the road to this is the South Goa road. So the bridge which I showed you earlier where it's under construction, this bridge will be exactly like that. Don't speed up too much on this road. Enjoy it. Like seriously, you can just enjoy this road. Both the 250s are very calm today because one 250, my mom is sitting on my friend's 6 or 250 and the other SF is staying with us. And there's a Dominar 400 right behind. Enjoying. we are on this bridge. Yeah, this is the only highway for bikes and cars, so obviously yes. So this is one of the bridges where you can take your bike butt off this. Right now? It gets very confusing at times, the diversions. This is the slowest ambulance I've ever seen. He's just going back to the hospital, I think so. So this is the road to South Goa. And now you can see the mention you have to be at 80. The previous bridge was 60, this bridge is 80. I say go 100, bro. So now Benaulim is another 6 kilometers, 5.9, 6 kilometers away, almost reaching. So far the roads are good. Only some part of the highway behind was a little bad because there's walking in the highway, but it's okay. That's manageable. Back to the road. We have reached Benaulim, and the place where we are going, the shack, is like 2 kilometers away approximately right now. 300 meters will get covered talking to all of you. Yeah. Let's head. Oh, you all want to see how the internal roads look? The only thing I admire about Goa roads, so I'll give it, it's not that great, but there are potholes. I'll take that also, but it's made of tar, man. Like, look at these roads, it's so smooth. Like, you don't want to ride on them the whole day and not feel tired. Even the highway doesn't have such good roads. So we're heading straight towards the beach side now. Almost reaching. We're right there, 1.5 kilometers. Start heading towards the beach side, right, and go. Automatically you'll see these shops. Yes. I have only 106 fans. My wife is saying I don't talk to her anymore. Vallona's wheels. Are you feeling the slight humidity and heat that's coming from the beach? Yeah, it'll come and go. Yeah, it's a shack, it'll be open. Don't worry. His shack will be down. Good? His shack is down. See, this is what happens when you drink too much in Goa. Look at these two. Look at these two. Huh?
Ashwin. I went back properly. We lost against we went.
Yeah, this is not as good. This is no not as good.
Okay, lock it.
One is Pedro, one is Chauncey.
Bro, Dani, shut the fuck up.
Don't get fucking caught.
Bro, you give me my scooty.
Don't get caught. Don't get caught and don't. Oh, this is our 4726.
Oh, finally found it. Oh. Some live shit. Recorded properly. Hey, Baba, you want to get hit out with that rod? Good. So yeah, that's the shack I was talking about, Rogers. How many was it? 7. You have a table over that side? हाँ चलेगा. Hey, we'll sit there in the beach. Jennifer, wait 1 second. Hold on.
Auntie wanted to meet.
Jennifer, you want to sit this side or that side?
We'll sit here on this table. They're down if high tide comes up then.
So let it come on top. We'll come on top.
Come on, dog. You say you can keep join 2 tables and put your or you can put wherever you want.
Let's go down. Remember, smoking is still injurious to health, but
Not my intention.
a really good meal now. Now we're heading to Bethel Batham Beach just to see if that and this. Tide is on, I'm sure, on the beach. Super high. Bethel Batham Beach is just right on this corner only. In between Kolwa Beach comes and then comes Bethel Batham Beach. So now we're done with our dinner at Ben Olim and we're heading to Bethel Batham. I'm not 100% sure if we'll get to see the plankton there, but let's see. Let's go and find out. Okay, so we've reached Bethel Batham. I hope I get to see some glow in the dark creatures, bro. You have to park our bikes here and walk, I think so. This is Jimmy's brother. For a glow in the dark beach, but nothing is glowing. I think so we're in the wrong season. Maybe it doesn't anymore. But it's okay, we still came to see if it works. There's nothing glowing on that beach, but it's okay. Some other time. We'll try again though next year. Yeah, so we had a dinner at Ben Olim and we did show you Bethel Batham Beach. So if anyone's coming in the month of February, at least February first week, which I am right now, you might not get to see anything. So try to come before that. Okay, but I guess the plankton, all the fish eat the plankton. That's why there's no glow algae anymore over there. but better luck next time. Until then, bye bye. See you soon. एक रेव बॉम्ब तो बनता है भाई टनल में है भाई.